Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you something very nice for learning Kurdish language. As you know, Google already put Kurdish language to Google Translate. These bring us some nice things, beautiful things. Let's see them. First of all, you will go to Play Store. Then you will download Google Translate. I already downloaded that. I already have this. It is update, but don't need update. I already have this. And after you download that, you will just go to Google Translate, which is here. You will click this, you will open, you will see like this. You will see this, and then you will click here. It is three button. It is showed there. And after here, you will see home, phrases of offline translation, settings. You will click settings, and then tap to translate. This must be enabled. If it is disabled, make it enable. After that, preferred language, your primary language, the language you speak. So for example, me, I will set for English because I speak English, and the language I want to translate will be Kurdish. It is already, you will find here, it is Kurdish. After you did this, go back, go back. Then go to Google. After you come to Google, just you will see the news. It was already open, but just I close that. It is written Sarok Barzani le Urdune Bahala Kurdistani Hate Peshwazar Peshwazi Quran. Recently I am also learning Peshwazar Quran. You will click this like this, then you will say copy. When you say copy, you will see Google button here. You will just click that. Received. Wow, received. So we have learned new words. So let's say we continue to read. What does it mean? Copy, then find it. Capital. Yes, capital. Okay, go on. Also, that is the way that is gonna be very useful, and you will not stuck to learn the language.